Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to get some more knowledge, more info regarding place that you're going to visit with Apple Maps. So at first just zoom in the place that you want to visit, then mark it, and over here you will be able to see the details. So just slide it up a bit. You've got the population, elevation, area, distance from your current place. Then you can see the sites, outdoors, art, culture, and some more photos. If you'll tap on it, you can smoothly go through the user's photos here and places worth visiting. Let me go back. Here you can also switch between albums. Then let me close it. A bit lower you've got about, so you can smoothly read everything that is kind of essential about this place. And you can also get some guides if you want. So just tap in here and you've got here 24 hours in Hong Kong, so you can smoothly see the places that you should visit, that you should see. If you tap on a particular place, you will be able to see the address, also the opening hours, and so on. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.